Want to export profile results via API but unsure how to do it? Here's a step-by-step guide to export profile results. First, get the profile ID using the Find Exact Profile API for the profile you want to export results from. Find the run key and column IDs using the List All Run Detail API. I've linked it in the description below. If you want to export specific columns, set the range parameter to selected_columns and pass the comma-separated column IDs. To export data for all columns, set range to ALL_columns and leave the column parameter empty. The file format defaults to Excel. Don't forget to include the IDS session ID header to pass your session ID. Send your API request and check the response. Note that the response won't be human readable. You'll need to save it directly to a file. And that's it. Your profile results are now downloaded.